Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to linking an Excel file in Microsoft PowerPoint. To link an Excel worksheet to PowerPoint, you can do the following. In PowerPoint, select the Insert tab and click Object. In the Insert Object dialog box, select Create from File. Click Browse and find the Excel workbook you want to link. Select Link and click OK. The Excel data appear. If you want to change in the Excel original file, just double-click on the Excel. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.